Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Yohei Kamiya. What's up? Okay guys, now today I'm going to make Mentaiko pasta. First of all, do you know about the Mentaiko? Okay, let me try to explain to Mentaiko. So Mentaiko is actually cod roll, codfish roll, or some people call spicy cod caviar. So maybe you understand, I hope. So Mentaiko is number one popular is Fukuoka city. Fukuoka is South Japan. Actually, Mentaiko is the roots coming from Korea. So Fukuoka city and Korea is very close. So some Japanese guy learned from the Korea. It is maybe 300 years ago. I researched the Wikipedia. Anyway, so taste like a really rich and a good flavor and go well with rice. That's the key point. So which means if you make a pasta, it is good too. So good. So let's cook it. Okay, ingredients: olive oil, garlic, chili pepper, and Mentaiko. So this time I use Mentaiko paste. So this is very comfortable. Kanefuku from Japan. Butter and dashi. This time I use powder dashi. Soy sauce, spaghetti. It's up to any size. This is kind of thing. Shiso leaf, we call it oba. And seaweed. This is kizami. This. Cut the half. If you take out this part, you can get this really good garlic oil. Take out the seed, chili pepper. Now making the garlic oil. It's ready. Turn off the burner and put 30 gram Mentaiko. And 1 piece of butter and 1 ounce Mentaiko and mix together. And mix together as well. This is a very important part. Teaspoon soy sauce and dashi. This is ready. So now put the pasta. About 3 ounce pasta. Salt. 0.5 or 1%. So this pasta said 10 minutes. But I want to cook 8 or 9 minutes. I make al dente. When you're making pasta, don't boil in too much, like in the middle. Take out here and grab here. People use tongue, but I prefer to use chopstick. That's easy for me. over. So almost done. So Mentaiko pasta, the point is the pasta, which is a spaghetti, I prefer to make hard. But yeah, it's up to you. Some people wanna make a spaghetti, it's soft. Some people when making hard pasta. So it's depend on, it's up to you. So after boiled spaghetti, I gotta put the sauce and cook again. So that's why I'm making 8 minutes, or if you wanna make hard, 7 minutes. That is the best way, I think. So it's almost done. So al dente is the best way. Is if you take out, maybe it's difficult to take a video, but inside you can see a little bit white part. That is the best way, al dente. It's difficult to see here. Okay, time to take it out. Okay, let's cook. Don't take it out the water. Just remove like this. Okay, a little bit heat up. So this is a sensitive part. So maybe slow cook. That is the better. So mix as well together. Don't let them cook too much. Just like a warm up and a little bit cook. So as spaghetti and sauce mix together, let me eat one. Perfect. Good. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. So now I'm going to eat with these. Itadakimasu. I can feel the Mentaiko flavor and the butter. It's so good. It's really tasty Mentaiko. This is how do I eat. It's so good. So Mentaiko is really tasty, and I put the butter and with soy sauce. That's really good. And also I put dry seaweed and shiso leaf. That's really good flavor. Yeah, this is absolutely perfect Mentaiko pasta. So please try. Oh, please don't forget subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching my channel. See you next time.